on global models or GSM models. So it's a fully unthreaded bypass and it has many features, so I will tell you step by step in the video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the tool name is iUnthreaded. It's a 1.1 version that is currently latest version. So big shout out to first Sonic 14. This tool comes from the Sonic 14. It's a trusted source and many of the users already know about this source. It is fully working perfectly for the unthreaded iCloud bypass. So all the links are in description or on my blog, or you can check official handle of the Sonic 14. So all the important instruction points are written here. So before proceeding, first read all the important points so that it will be clear that your device is supported or not. So as you can see, important notes are your iDevice must be connected to the Wi-Fi. So make sure that before you do bypass, make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. Your device must be compatible with Checkra1n jailbreak, so only all the Checkra1n models is supported. So first check out the all compatible devices list and then move further. And if you have any question regarding the bypass tool, if you can contact the official supported team of the Sonic bypass. So you will see the official Twitter handle of the both the IDs, so you can contact them for more support help. So now you can download the iUnthreaded 1.1 version tool from the above. So it's a small tool, it will not take too much time, it's just around 3.5 MB tool. So after complete download, just go to your download location and just open the tool. And when you open the tool for the first time, it will show some warning. So for that, just go to setting and preferences and then go to security and privacy, and you will see open anywhere option. So just allow it, and after that just click on open. So it will run the tool. So as you can see, it's a iCloud bypass tool from the Sonic. So it supports the unthreaded bypass for iCloud devices from the iOS 12.2 to 13.5.1 latest. So for that, first you need to jailbreak your device with the Checkra1n, because only Checkra1n devices are supported. So first we will do the Checkra1n jailbreak. And one more important thing is that if you face any issue while jailbreaking the iOS version 13.5.1, so you have to just go to option and select the untested iOS and iPad option and the verbose and the safe mode option, and you also have to connect in your recovery mode, then it will support your device and normally you can jailbreak. So both GSM and global models are supported, that means MEID and IMEI are also supported. So you have to just jailbreak your device, and after that we will see the bypass process. After the complete jailbreak, just close the Checkra1n app and launch the iUnthreaded 1.1 bypass tool by Sonic. So before the bypass, you have to register your device serial number on the Sonic official website. So let me show you the official website. All the links are in description, you can check there. So before do the payment, read all the important points that it's a unthreaded bypass with no network, no calls. That means it's a unthreaded bypass only for macOS user and fixed notification, iCloud and many more. If you want unthreaded bypass for your device, you can go with this method. It's the cheapest method around. So it's a 400 MXP, it's a Mexican currency, so you can convert it into your USD. So it's according to the today's date, it's around $18.56, so it's a cheapest around all. So if you want only unthreaded service, so you can go with this method. It's a fast and reliable, and make sure you double check your serial number before putting it in and registering your device, because if you put wrong serial number and register it, will not refund in that case. So make sure that you recheck your serial number and then submit it. After enter correct serial number, just pay with PayPal, and it is only have PayPal payment gateway, so you can do according to that and convert it into your dollar. So it's the cheapest. So after that you have to just connect your device and press the activate device, and it will start automatically and activate your device. And then you have to just activate your device again, and it will be unthreaded bypass. Here you will see the sample so that you will get an idea how the bypass works. You have to just connect your device and click on activate, and then it will 2-3 seconds more and it will show the unthreaded iCloud bypass done. So after that you have to just OK and normally just activate your device, and your device will be unlocked, and then you can enjoy the unthreaded service by the Sonic 14. It can bypass all the iOS 12.2 to 13.5.1 latest that is supported by Checkra jailbreak, including 12.4.7. Also fix the reboot issues, so you can reboot all the iOS version devices because it's a unthreaded bypass, so you can easily reboot it. So as you can see, it rebooted without any tweak, it's working normally. So that's the major difference between the unthreaded bypass and the threaded bypass. And the iCloud login is also works, so you can log in into your Apple ID very easily. So this is the difference between the free tools and the paid tools. And all the notification will also work, so you will get FaceTime, Siri, system notification, and the other social media apps WhatsApp notification. So all